Hey everyone and welcome back. You get 10,000 free credits per month on ElevenLabs, which makes about 10 minutes of standard audio or 20 minutes using Flash models. Let me show you how to make every credit count. First, pick the right model. The Flash and Turbo models use half a credit per character instead of 1 credit. This doubles your output for free. Always select Flash unless you need absolute top quality. Second, keep your text clean. Fix grammar and spelling mistakes before generating. Each wrong character wastes credits. ElevenLabs cannot edit once audio is created. Third, use shorty sentences. The AI performs better with natural pauses and breaks. Long paragraphs sound robotic and may need regenerations that burn more credits. Fourth, test with small snippets. First, before generating a full script, test 20 to 30 characters on your chosen voice, adjust speed and stability settings, then go big. Fifth, avoid regenerations. Get your prompt and voice settings right the first time. Each regeneration consumes new credits from your monthly limit. Important warning, the free plan has no commercial license. You cannot use free credits for YouTube videos, client work, or any monetized content without upgrading to starter at $5 per month. Pro tip: save credits by using speech to markdown tools to format your script before pasting into ElevenLabs. And that is it. Pick Flash models, keep text clean, and test small. If you use ElevenLabs, let me know what you are creating in the comments. See you in the next one.